to my store. Bakit, bebe? Dear Amazon, we are so pleased to meet you. Thank you for shopping with us. It's our absolute pleasure to serve you. Refund or replacement. This is good. Refund or replacement for 30 days if you aren't happy with the product. They have the support system. Take care them for the purchase. Brush. Red and yellow. Blue. Combs and another one. So we open it and we'll see. It said here, safe use method. When you use electric appliances in addition to basic safety code, please note the following. Before you use the electric cooker first time, this product is plug structure. The use of socket should be solvable. The thermostat and the power cord are damaged by the manufacturer. To buy the thermostat again. What's that? Avoid wire contracting with high temperature objects. Pot body should be placed in the safe horizontal plane. I think in this one, the table can be used here. Because it just remove other stuff when you're using this one, like fire hazards like paper, tablecloths like that. And then avoid when there is hot oil, you should take care of it when frying. Please do not close the cover. Please do not touch the thermostat before cleaning. Unplug the temperature. I guess you just have to monitor when you're cleaning. Just don't just don't put water in this part. Just when you're cleaning, like do this one like that. Okay? Okay, LJ? Where is our good picture of this one? This one is a good picture, anak. Oh. And then, if there's any damage to the product, please send it to the Coke department and inspection repair immediately to ensure. Always pay attention to the fastening condition of the joint. If loose, fasten the screw not suitable. Good judgment. Let's go na. So this one is the cord. Baking power, and the power is 1000 watts plus 1000 watts. So voltage is 110 and frequency is 50 hertz. So this one has, there are two of this one for the pot and one for the grill. So let's put it anak. Let's put this one. Okay. And this one. The pot. So that's it. Like that. And then you will put there the cord. Yeah, like that. So the good thing about this is you have an extra extra cord here. They have it. And then they also have, what they have, anak? This one, the picture. Open it. Wow. Oh, there are a lot of things. A lot of different, that's good. That's nice. One. And they have the product like that one. Oh, there are a lot of products, anak, oh. Yun sa'yo yan. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going? You have the thank you card or yung thank you card mo. No? Do you want Peppa Pig? Do you want Peppa Pig? Huh? LJ? So this one has the thermostat with the highest is 5. So, we're gonna try without LJ here because it's dangerous for her. So, here is the bottom. Yeah, this one, when you're cleaning it, just don't put any water on it. Be careful. Because this one, you're gonna put it in outlet. So, this one is a plastic. But I think it's hard plastic. And then the material of this one is I like most. It's non-sticky. Yan. And then this is where the oil goes. This is where the oil goes. Grilling, it goes to there and there. Okay, I think we should try this. Bye guys, bye ka muna, bye. See you later. She's so busy. See you. What's that? Oh, do you know how to read?
Ganda, ang dami, di ba? Red, yellow, and, nasa atin, LJ? Red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, blue. Dami ah. Okay ka. Okay ka.
kick.